Gen 1 Camaro time here at Unique, especially in classics. 1968 Chevrolet Camaro Sport Coupe. Numbers matching, 327. V8 underneath the hood. Automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic, 350 to be exact. Nicely equipped power steering, power brakes, AC added. Now you can see we do have the RS front grille, headlight doors, and then the marker lights down in the valance. I don't have window sticker or build sheet on this, but it does have a lot of the RS appearance package items on it, which of course the RS was an appearance package only in 1968. Color of this car, paint code J Rally Green, with a dash and a 6. So it did come with a white vinyl top also from Chevrolet back in 1968. Interior is 712 black standard bucket seats. Take your time looking through the still pictures on this car. It was originally built in Los Angeles, California. Spent quite some time on the West Coast, a West Coast car. So look at the underside. Appears to be original pans. Look at the inside of the trunk pictures, engine bay interior, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. That's going to take you right there. And of course you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on the Rally wheels with Chevrolet center caps and the beauty rings. Paint does show well in this car. Let's take a look down the passenger side of it. Engine and trans have been rebuilt for your information. We do have the chrome above the door, and also up here the drip rail would be. That would be part of that RS appearance package. There's your bucket seats, center console, horseshoe shifter, little aftermarket gauge cluster, and we'll take a little closer look at the interior when we get around to the driver's side. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Our RS gas cap, and then down below the bumper and the lower valance in the rear. Backup lights, which would be correct for that appearance package. And once again, all those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. We'll start this car up here at the end of the video, let you hear it run, take a peek at that engine bay. Take a look at that numbers matching 327. And then at the end of the video, stick around and we're going to take this car for a drive down the road. Get the camera set up in there and take you for a virtual ride, if you will. It's kind of cool that this was originally a Rally Green white vinyl top car. Still looking very much the way it would have back in 1968. Definitely a head turner. Take it to your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, your local shows. Door panel. Your black vinyl seats. Appear to be free of rips, tears, or holes. Of course, we have two sets of belts on each side because this would have the shoulder belts. As you can see across above the passenger window. Headliner looks good. Let's go ahead and fire it up. I did not get the, looks like a stock AM radio working on this car, so you're aware of that also. All right, little aftermarket gauge cluster here again. Oh yeah, oil pressure, like temp gauge. That was a cold start. I wouldn't expect that to be up. Battery gauge. Nothing crazy over the top exhaust, just a nice sounding 327. Dual exhaust with chrome tips. This car has a great look to it. Sounds good too, definitely a head turner. I'm going to pause this a second, get this hood open, check out that engine bay. We'll check out those light doors too, so hang on a second. Alright, hood open. There's the engine bay. But first, like I said, let's check those light doors. So I'm going to pull the light switch here. Watch up in front. Look at that. Light door is working. We'll try to close them up here when we're done looking at this engine bay too. So power steering, power brakes. More of a vintage AC style system. Modern. 4-barrel, some nice chrome valve cover and air cleaner cover. Won't have to be ashamed to have your hood open on this one at a car show. Definitely good looking engine, man. Listen to that. Smooth running, numbers matching. Tranny and trans have been rebuilt. You'll be able to take your time looking through all of this in the still pictures as well as the underside. Check out that trunk too, by the way. Trunk and pans sure seems solid, which doesn't surprise me being an LA built car and spending time on the West Coast. Let's close up the lights. Working as they should. And stick around for that driving video. 1968 Chevrolet Camaro Sport Coupe. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1968 Camaro. Very nice looking car, very bright paint job. And it's an automatic on the center console. Very nice acceleration in this Camaro. This has the horseshoe shifter, as it's known. First thing I thought about this Camaro is it feels very low mile. It was well taken care of or well restored, one or the other. Our fuel gauge is reading a little over half. The speedometer is working well. Those are the gauges from the factory. Then down below the dash, under the ashtray, we have an oil pressure gauge reading 60 psi, temperature reading 160, and the volts are reading 14.5. It's all good. Very nice condition. Carpet, headliner, doors, seats. We have bucket, vinyl black seats in this car. Our brakes are working very well. Just feels like a very well put together car. It runs really good, smooth. Corners well. We did not have a blower motor blowing air, and the radio does not turn on. However, the wipers are working. Windy today in Minnesota, so you have a little bit of wind noise, but good handling, good feeling Camaro, very nice. Take a look at all the pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Under the hood, under the car, and everywhere in between.